guys, I'm just heading to counseling, so that's what's going on.
So right now, guys, I'm doing a little bit of shopping, so that's what's going on.
I totally forgot that I had no counseling today. It's on Friday. I totally forgot. I went there and I found out that I don't see her till Friday, so that is kind of weird that on my calendar, but it's Friday instead. So yeah, we did have counseling this morning.
Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just going to the job agency. Just to check in. So that's what's going on. So right now, you guys, I'm getting ready for an interview. I'm just heading out soon. I'm just gonna adjust shit on. So that is what's going on, you guys. So right now, you guys, we're cleaning my room. Actually, Rachel's and mine, technically. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're cleaning the room. Guys, so right now, you guys, I'm gonna make some cheesy dogs. So that's what is going on. I'm making some cheesy dogs. The cheesy dogs, and then we're having some salad on the side, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode, guys. Do give it a big thumbs up. Good night.